Hey guys, Matt here. Welcome to the next portfolio update. Normally I do these every week or every other week, but I mean, I guess one of the consequences of us being in a bear market for year 3, and from the sound of it, it could go all the way into a year 4, is I kind of run out of stuff to talk about. And so I'm still going to keep doing these a lot. It's just that instead of doing this on a set schedule, it's basically going to be when I have stuff to say, like right now. And I want to start things off by talking about the fact that on February the 15th, I was about to hit 80K. And now things have gone south. Things have gone very, very south. Now, I will get to the question in the title of the video, will I be buying Gevo, in a second, but let's get to the portfolio update. Let's get that out of the way. So first you can see that everything is bad. The entire market is not doing well right now. I'm pretty sure you've read the news. Like, the short version of everything is that, inflation came in hot. Prices, I think, came in hot. Fed going to keep rate hikes going on and keep them going on for longer. Basically, the short version is that we ain't done and we ain't close to done. The NASDAQ dropped 5% in the last 5 days. If you take a look at the market as a whole, like, none of this is good. The Russell is down 3%, just about. Like, we ain't close to done with this. And I think the market, honestly, just gave up. And now, one thing I want to talk about as far as my portfolio is I got rid of Intel. Now, I got rid of Intel because, honestly, I lost faith in the company. And of course, I sold Intel right before it went up 7%, but that's just classic Matt. I did put the funds into SCHD, and I feel pretty good about that. Now, as far as will I buy Gevo, now I mentioned in a previous Gevo video that if Gevo actually beats earnings, as far as revenue, that I would start buying Gevo again, no matter what price it is. And now, Gevo had earnings yesterday, and it missed on EPS by a lot, and it missed on revenue by a lot, but I thought the earnings were good. If you want to catch that video, you can watch it up here. But, the market actually responded very favorably to Gevo. It's 5.5% on a day like today where everything is down. Now, if you ask me if I think this is going to continue, like, I don't think Gevo is a match for the market. Like, if the market is going to continue to downturn, I think Gevo is going to give these gains right back up. I use the term gains in quotes because, as a 5-day, it's down 15%. So, yeah, I think Gevo is going to give these gains back up. Now, that's not limited to Gevo. Tesla gave away all of its gains. Like, those are all gone. If you look at Target, Target's down 8.7% the past month. Like, no one is doing well. No one is doing well at all. So, as far as if I'm buying Gevo, I got so many other companies that are making money that are down that I think are buys. Like, this week, I've been putting money into AT&T. I put a little bit of money into Verizon. And I'm planning on putting money into SHD and VOO next week, assuming the prices continue to stay down. And I also plan on adding more shares to Google and Palantir. I only have so much capital. Gevo, they didn't make the revenue, and so they're not falling into the plan. And so I think the decision for Gevo is I'm not going to buy any shares right now, but if Gevo does fall, I would say $1.50 or below, I may buy a few shares. Now, I'm not going to load the boat or anything like that, but if Gevo hits 150, I may buy a few shares, but I like to keep my focus on, no offense, companies that are actually making money right now. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.